And this is about e-commerce. Banners are great for promotion, sales, or highlighting new products to elevate your sales on your website. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to your website's login page. For example, yourdomain.com/WP admin. Something like this. But don't forget WP admin right here on your WordPress or WordPress admin. But if you don't already have a WordPress account, you'll need to sign up on WordPress.org. You can install WordPress and then add WooCommerce afterwards. But if you already have an account, simply log in with your username and password. WooCommerce by itself doesn't have a built-in banner feature, so we'll have to use a plugin. To do that, all you have to do is to scroll down until you see plugins right here and then click on Add Plugin. Then you can search for a free plugin like Smart Slider 3 or WooCommerce Banner Management. Let's say Smart Slider 3. All you have to do is to click on that and select it. Once the plugin is active, you just have to go to its settings. All you have to do in Smart Slider like this one, all you have to do is to click on New Project right here and upload your banner image, maybe a sale announcement or product highlight. It can be created by a new project or start with a template. You can add text, buttons, and even links to product pages. You just have to select the project type, slider, and settings like this one. And after creating your banner, you'll get a shortcode. Copy it and then go to your WooCommerce homepage or shop page. Something like this. All you have to do is to copy this or appearance and then editor to edit your website. You can edit the page using the WordPress editor or Elementor and paste the shortcode where you want the banner to appear, usually at the top. After doing so, all you have to do is to save your changes and your banner will now show up on your store. And you can see your banner live. If you want to change its size or position, you can just go back to the plugin settings and adjust it. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.